Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. Okay, so in a recent interview, Beenie Man Moses Davis was asked how he felt about the angel, that's Michelle Downer, the mother of his son, having an OnlyFans account and being in the press because of her semi-nude photos. He said, quote, I can't tell her if she think about her youth. She's supposed to do that as a mother. That's what Beenie Man said in a recent interview on the Teach Them YouTube channel.
So he said that he spoke to Angel about the decision to post the content to the adult-oriented subscription-only platform, and she insisted that she had to do it. She never had to do that, quote unquote, but she did. This is what Beenie Man said.
The big question is, do you think parents who are separated should consult with each other before doing things that can potentially harm their child's image?
Of course not. Potentially harm their child's image.
How? It depends on what.
No.
On what it is.
The thing is, no. It is a moral issue, That's where it is. So what it really is what priority your child's image has in your life. That is really what it comes down to.
Right.
Because it doesn't matter. Let's say, for instance, if it had got damage the child, even if the two parents agreed, it is still subject to discussion.
Yes.
You understand? Because ultimately what we don't want to do is damage the child.
All right.
So if it had got damage the child, whether or not you get consent or whether or not it is a mutual agreement, it's still up for discussion.
Real life.
If she not think it bother Marco Dean and Marco Dean not think it bother him.
Okay, this is real life. This is
I don't know.
Real life. I decided to fully jump into stand-up comedy when I saw my daughter for the first time.
See?
My dad is still corporate still,
Yeah.
But I decided to fully jump in it. Now, at that time, stand-up comedy, and even now in a lot of spaces, Jamaican stand-up comedy doesn't get the respect it deserves.
Right.
And when you tell persons that, hey, I'm a stand-up comedian, they say, what else you do? I say, no, that's what I do.
I remember those arguments.
Yes, you're laughed.
Yeah.
People laugh at you about it. Now, when I think about, so if I thought about how to fit my daughter, I'd be like, listen, I'm going to do something else because nobody laugh after my daughter. You say, your father, a joker. You understand? Now, where it's being a little bit more recognized, where I'm pushing my brand, and person I say, boy, Duffy, you do your thing, respect. What if I didn't do it then? You understand? If me the detour. So,
no, I'm in business with
we
them.
talk about it. As you say, it's a moral thing.
Yeah.
It's a moral thing, and
is honestly, they are public figures. So what they do is in the presence and the full view of the public. But really and truly is the people in business. If as I said, if is Angel and her son have to make that decision, and if they make it, who are we to say is the wrong decision or is the right decision? That's why Beenie Man just never really give him full opinion on it. And just say, he might not agree with it, but what am I going to do really?
Anyway.
It's rough. It's rough. I remember when people used to ask me if I no work. I used to tell them, no, never. Why would I?
Work.
Yeah, it's not work. When you like it,
It's not a job.
It certainly is not a job. I used to work at Dial Insurance. After that, one time they wouldn't sign my petty cash slip for my overtime. I just cut.
Yeah.
I'm going to school of music. Bad people think when I do that though. I just cut, I just get up.
Anyway, on a lighter note, this kid went viral from his math homework. This is a funny video. So let's take a look. So, you're laughing.
He has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jay broke.
Achoo. Wait again. No, say that again.
Yeah.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
Here.
Go on.
It's a bit from a comedic mind. From he started reading that, he came up with that. That was the line in his head from before, though. But he had to finish reading it.
No, but that's why I love talk to children, because him right.
Yeah,
him wrong.
They in a real life.
Yeah, him not wrong.
Real life application.
You go vex.
Really
you can't really vex. And you have to say, well, what we really wanted to do is add, But him right.
I heard a story this morning. Like someone was telling me a joke this morning. Sometimes they go to the supermarket. When you have some change left, they give you like sweetie. You're like, go over the change. So this dad went into the supermarket with his daughter, right? So he got some sweetie for his change. So he was like, what's this? She said, sir, that's your change. So he said, okay. And he took it up in his pocket. Took his groceries to the car. Took his groceries to the car, came back, joined back the line. And when we reached the front, he said, he put a sweetie.
With it. Yeah, man.
I said, I want that pack of peanuts right there. And she's like, oh, sir, you can't do this. He said, no. You said that's my change.
Straight.
So I'm using my change to buy the peanut.
There that my son do one time my son look at me, ask him when he was 5. I say, yo, you brush your teeth? Yeah. And he's like, 1. I say, 1 what? I say, 1 what? I say, 1 tooth. I say, what do you mean you have 1 tooth? You go in the bathroom and you brush 1 tooth? He said, yes. I read it and it says toothpaste. And this is a toothbrush. So I brushed 1 tooth. I'm for vex. Couldn't vex.
And I said, me not go vex.
Brush the rest.
Me not go vex. Him not go vex. Hey, boy. Anyway, from the mouth of kids. Daytime Live will be right back with a competition you might be interested in. So, we don't know either. We're so forward.
So forward.